Engineer SPC Sugeshwara, the Director of the Hydrology and Disaster Management at the Department of Irrigation, said that following a heavy downpour, water levels of the Attanagula Oya and the Nilbala River reached minor flood level. Several roadways in Makandura were flooded after the Kirama-Ara waterway broke its banks. The Mulathiana-Kamrupitiya road was also flooded from Makandura. One sluice gate of the Kukleganga Reservoir was opened due to heavy rains experienced in Kalutara. Newsfirst correspondent said that 88 cubic meters of water is released per second from the reservoir. The Bulat Singhala Molkava main road was flooded from several areas in Atabagas Handia in Dambala. Transportation was also disrupted as a result of the flooding. Two sluice gates of the Varapitiya River in Valasmula were opened after a heavy downpour was experienced in the area. The water is released to the Kirama Oya. Several roads in the Malimbadi Divisional Secretariat zone in Mathura remain flooded.
වතුර වැඩි වෙලාද? වැඩි වෙනවද?
The Malimbada Kamburupitiya road via Kaddua remains flooded as well.